Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a product that's creating quite a buzz. Garden Element's 100% natural cocoa bean shell mulch. If you're looking for the best winter mulch for your vegetable gardens, you've come to the right place. This mulch is derived from the shell of the cocoa bean, offering a natural dark color and a pleasing cocoa aroma that sets it apart from traditional mulches. But what makes Garden Element's cocoa bean shell mulch stand out? Let's dive into the details. Made from 100% natural cocoa bean shells, this mulch is not only environmentally friendly but also safe for your plants. As the temperatures drop, it's crucial to protect your vegetable garden from the harsh winter conditions. Garden Element's mulch acts as a protective barrier, insulating your plant's roots and shielding them from frost. Say goodbye to pesky weeds. This mulch helps smother weeds, keeping your garden beds neat and tidy throughout the winter months. Winter can be dry, but Garden Element's mulch helps retain moisture in your soil, ensuring your plants stay hydrated and healthy. Of course, no product is without its considerations. Some users have reported mold and fungus issues, particularly in shady or damp areas. Additionally, while Garden Element's mulch is safe for plants, it's important to note that it's not suitable for dogs and should not be ingested. In conclusion, Garden Element's 100% natural cocoa bean shell mulch is a top choice for winter mulching in vegetable gardens. With its natural ingredients, winter protection benefits, and weed suppression properties, it's a must-have for any gardener looking to keep their plants healthy and thriving during the colder months. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy gardening!